Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can run a TikTok ad in the simplified format. So let's get into it. Step 1, make sure you have a business account. In order to use the TikTok Ads Manager, you will need to have a business account for the platform. I already have logged into my existing TikTok account, so I'm just going to click over here. I'll click Settings. I'll go over here to the Business Account tab, which is on this section, and I'll click this button over here. Next, I'm going to select a category. So I'm going to go down and select professional services. I'll click become a business. And as you can see, we are officially a business account. So I'll click done. So next over here, you can see there's a tag that says get started on TikTok's ads manager. So I'll click get started and I'll be directed to this page, and over here I'll be logging into my account again. I'll click authorize. I'll click accept. So there are two ways to create a campaign, a simplified mode or a custom mode. The custom mode is more for experienced marketers and it has more options, like creating an ad group or using any sort of bidding strategy. But for small to medium sized businesses, the simplified version is more than suitable because it is straightforward and it does not require extensive technical expertise. For the purpose of this video, we will click simplified mode. Over here, TikTok is asking us what is our advertisement goal. So why are we advertising in the first place? So we have four options. First one is traffic. So this is good if you want to generate a lot of traffic to your website. Community interaction is perfect if you want to grow your page, your followers, and just get more engagement overall. We have lead generation, where you want to gather the contact information from your customers, and basically this will allow you to nurture those leads and convert them into actual sales. Next, we have website conversions, which is a great idea if you are looking to drive more conversions on your store's webpage. So go through it and select the one based on your needs. For the purpose of this video, I want to generate traffic to my website, so I'll click that and I'll click continue over here. On this section, we are entering information about our target audience who we want to reach out to. So the first option we have over here is location. It is selected as Canada. You can also enter a manual location of your choice based on the people you want to reach out to. So for example, I also want to target people who are located in United States. So I'll click that and that looks good. Next, we can select our audience type. So you can go for a custom audience. Basically, you can decide who you want your ad to be seen by, or you can allow the TikTok algorithm and the TikTok system to find an audience that is more receptive to your business. If you go for custom audience, you have to enter a bit more information about the demographics you want to target, age, language, their interest and behavior, and things like that. So for gender, I selected no limit. For age, I want to target people from 18 to 44. Let's take an example just to understand better. I am running this ad to drive more traffic to my website, where I provide services related to TikTok marketing. So based on that, I want to reach out to people who might be interested in learning more about that business. So I've selected my criteria over here. You can also add more specifications such as interest. So I can go over here. So I'm going to go and select business services, food and beverages, because we do marketing for food products as well, e-commerce and things like that. So this just helps TikTok algorithm narrow down your audiences when they are running these ads. Next, we have the people who have carried out following interactions with a certain video. So for example, I want to target people who have liked video in, marketing or advertisement services, more like educational content. So I'll click liked. So basically anybody who has liked the videos. Now, what kind of videos they have interacted with. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select culture, education, and technology. And as you can see, when I put my cursor on the tab on the right hand side, I can also see the audience size, and it basically means we are targeting TikTok users who have watched videos about culture, education, or technology. So I'm going to select that, and then we're going to select a certain time period, so I would say 15 days. So if anybody out there within the past 15 days have liked a video in the culture, education, or technology sector, I want to target those people. So then TikTok is asking us, where do you want to show your ad? So I'll just select that as TikTok. We also have Pangle, which is their premium global publisher network, if you want to target that. Based on our selections, you can see an estimated audience size we'll be reaching out to. Next, I'm going to click continue. So next we'll determine our daily budget, which starts at a minimum of $5 per day or $70 for a lifetime. And after that, we can decide how long we want our campaign to run for. So for instance, in our case, I'm going to click daily budget and I'll put that as $20. So I want to spend $20 every day on TikTok ads. I'm going to go over here and select the duration. So I can select a start date over here. So let's say I want this ad to start running from 17th of April at 9 p.m. Sorry, 9 a.m. And then you can set your end date over here. If you want this ad to run for indefinite period of time, you can click over here. This looks good, so I'll click continue. And now comes the interesting part. We're going to add our creative into this ad. So over here, if you have an existing TikTok account and if you have uploaded some videos, they're going to show up on this section. So you can select from them, or you can upload a video itself. All right, so we have uploaded our video and now we have two options. We can use the original or you can use the optimized version and just add more effects or soundtrack to your video. So I'll click quick optimize just to show you guys how that works. And over here, you're going to see an optimized version created by TikTok itself. So you can definitely go ahead and play for it. So basically, they resized our graphic. They added some really cool snowfall effect like you saw, and they added a really cool soundtrack. So for example, I like optimized version 1. So I'll click that and I'll click confirm. And while our ad is loading over here, I'm going to add a text which can be used as a caption. All right, so as you can see, our creative has been uploaded, and over here I added a caption. And again, please ignore the way I wrote this caption because this is just for demonstration purpose only. But when you're actually creating these images or the videos and the captions, just make sure it is captivating. It also stops the scrolling that happens in TikTok feed, because that's what you want to get. You want to get attention of your audience so you can convert them better. So it is very important that whatever creative you are using, it's very strong, powerful, and leads to the conversions that you need for your business. Over here we have the call to action button. So we have selected as learn more, which looks good to me. You can go through various options that they offer and select the one of your liking. You can also enter the URL over here. So basically, when somebody clicks the learn to more button, they'll be directed to a certain page. So the idea of this TikTok ad was to drive traffic to the website. So in this case, we're going to enter our website address over here. So for example, I'm going to put this as www.google.com. For profile image, which is going to be displayed on this section, this looks good to me, so I won't make any changes to that. And if you want to add another creative, you can always go over here, click add, upload the video and the images, and add your captions similarly how we did for the first video, so that way you have different creative you can experiment with. I'm gonna click this box over here to agree with the terms of service, and I'm gonna click submit. So over here we're gonna enter our card information or our PayPal information, which will be used to bill you. And once you do that, you have to hit the submit button, and your TikTok ad will go into the review process before it goes live into the platform. So yeah, that's how you can run a TikTok ad using their simplified version. You also have the reporting tab over here, and when you go to creative inspirations, you're gonna see some of the best performing ads currently on TikTok, which is gonna help you structure your ad and just take inspiration from it. to see what's working and use it to implement in your own campaigns that you're running. So over here you can filter the top ads based on the industry, the objective, likes, duration, and all of that fun stuff. You can also go into the trend discovery section to see what people are actually typing in. We also have trend discovery, so you can get an idea on what's trending on TikTok right now. So you can see that one of the popular hashtag right now is Happy Easter, because again it's a Easter Monday, so that does make sense. So yeah, these are some great insights just to get more context on how you can optimize it for your needs and have a better experience on TikTok Ads Manager. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I would just like to say that the idea with TikTok is that you want to keep your content fun and engaging like the platform itself. So whatever product or services that you want to advertise, make sure it is following their guidelines to make it fun, to make it authentic, original, and raw, because that just works really well on TikTok. Please let me know if you have any questions below, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye now.